We say big one to elder. Elder को क्या बोलते हैं? Big one. Bigger one is known as elder, and the छोटे वाले जो होते हैं, they are known as younger. Okay. Okay, now let me spotlight myself for everyone. Okay. Yes, bacha. Now switch off your mic quickly. I have got the so many answers in between. Enough, Arab Gupta. Enough. Switch off your mics. We have started it. Okay, so I'm going to explain you these questions. Rishika, now stop it. See, cost of one banana is 24 rupees. You are having, suppose, this is banana. This is my banana. No, this cannot be a banana. This is a banana. I'm having, this is a banana. Okay, this is a banana. And this banana is of how much rupees? 4 rupees. This banana is of how much rupees? 4 rupees. Okay, now I want 1 dozen banana. Now I want 1 dozen banana. 1 dozen means how many bananas I want? 1 dozen means I want how many bananas? 12 bananas. The 4 rupees for one, 4 rupees for another, 4 rupees for another. That means 12 bananas. Okay. So what I will write, first of all, I will write what is the cost of 1 banana, which I must appreciate all of you have written like this only. Very good. Cost of 1 banana.
Then the answer is 49 of 1 dozen banana.
Yes, beta, that is correct. Okay. But please let me explain. Those who don't know, for them, let me explain. Cost of 1 banana is rupees 4. Now you have to calculate the cost of how many bananas? Cost of 1 dozen means what? 12 bananas. 12 bananas. Please don't write 1 dozen here. We cannot calculate from 1 dozen. So rupees 4 will be written in the same way and 12 will be multiplied over here. And answer will be 12 fours is what? 48. No need to solve it. You know 12 fours is 48. You can simply write it directly. Okay. Now, next question number 2. How many days are there in 49 weeks? Beta, if you don't know about one, then you cannot calculate for many. You should know about, always you should know about one. Okay, you know how many days are there in 1 week? You know that?
7.
Yes, very good. 7. Can you name them?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, very good. Number of days in 1 week? 7. Very good. You have to calculate in how many weeks? Number of days is how many weeks you have to calculate?
49.
49 weeks. Pratya, please switch off your mic. There is a lot of noises coming. 7 multiplied by 49. Okay, you have to, I better now see. Yesterday I told you either you multiply 49 by 7 or you multiply 7 by 49. Answer will be same. So what we are going to do? 49 multiplied by 7. 9 sevens are 63. 6 carried over here. 7 4s are 28 plus 6. 34. So answer will be, because beta I am not having space here, so I've done the multiplication here. So you can write in next line. So how many days are there in 49 weeks? 343. Now I told you, as I told you here, okay, as I told you here, a shelf. A means what? One. One shelf has 325 books. One shelf is having 325 books. So you will write here, wait a second, let me do this. Okay, number of books in one shelf. In one shelf. How many books are there in one shelf? Or you can write in one shelf. In one shelf, how many books are there? Jasrina, Mike. Okay, 325. Okay. Now you have to say how many shelves in 27 shelves. Not shelf, shelves. The plural of shelf is known as shelves. Okay. You know singular and plural? You know singular and plural? Okay, let me explain you this question. Let me explain you this question. There is a bookshelf. There is a bookshelf. Okay. In that bookshelf, some of the books are there. in one bookshelf, I have these 325 books. Suppose these are 325 books. Okay, now I am having 27 such shelves. And 27 such shelves, 325 in one shelf, 325 in another shelf, 325 in another shelf. Like 27 shelves we are having. That means we are adding 325 27 times. That means in 27 shelves there will be 325 multiplied by 27. When you will do the multiplication, I am not going to do it. I am going to write the answer here directly. I think 8775 is the answer coming, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
You know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Yes,
Now you can check your answers. These are the answers those who have, want to check.
ma'am. Please see my sum of third.
Wait a second.
Ma'am, but my statements are wrong. Ma'am.
Wait a second. Statements are not wrong. Statements are correct if you form it on your own. जरूरी नहीं है बेटा कि आप जो मैं लिख रही हूँ वही लिखो. Okay, it's not compulsory. You can form your own statement also. Okay, as you wish. It's not compulsory that you write my
Only
statement.
my one answer is wrong.
Okay, beta, no need to tell this Vedanshu, otherwise I'll mute you permanently if you speak like that in between. No need to, beta, statements, for statements, you can write your own statement also. Okay? Okay, now let's start another type of question. In your maths revision, it is written only maths revision, not maths revision notebook. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, beta. I'm going to rub this all.
Amma!
Beta, please speak. My Arav Solanki, please switch off your mic. Please take care of it, everyone. Write down the questions also.
Wait, ma'am, please read the sixth question.
The answer of multiplication is maybe I'm giving you a few more questions, just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
By the time do this.
Ma'am, I am on it.
Okay. We do this. Okay. Excuse me.
Ma'am, what is fourth question?
Beta, here you have to put the sign equal to, smaller than, or greater than. Here you have to put down the sign. Which question, beta?
Ma'am, now you not ask the tables.
I will ask the tables. I can ask any time.
What is fourth question?
What is fourth?
Ma'am, what is fourth question?
Beta, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to dash multiplied by 8. How many times you have to multiply 8? Times वाला question है बेटा ये.
Ma'am, I understood fourth.
Same. 9th and 10th are same. You have to put a sign.
And what you write sixth question after the
Answer of multiplication is. Unsha, you are attending the first class in this. Where were you, Unsha? हाँ बेटा.
yes, ma'am.
You have not attended the previous class. Why? Why have you not attended the previous class? हाँ Unsha? Huh?
And because
You were sleeping. Huh? You were sleeping.
Ma'am done.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, can I send it on group?
Yes, obviously, beta. And be quick, because after the time, if you will send me, I will not check it. You have to send it within time. I'm explaining it, and that we will do tongue twister in next period. Okay, now let's see. For the boys now. Okay, here, if you can see, 2 zeros are here. And 2 zeros are here in the end. So what should come here? Tell me quickly. Quick. Quick. 9 multiply by 9 multiply by 9 multiply by 0. So yesterday I told you, 0 सबको क्या बना देता है? 0 सबको क्या बना देता है? Zero. अंडा सबको अंडा बना देता है. Okay, zero makes everything zero. No need to multiply it. 50 multiplied by 100. See, 50 ones are what? 50 ones are 50. And there are 1 and 2 zeros. Put those 2 zeros in the end. Now 8 plus
Ma'am,
8 plus 8 plus
5,000.
8. See this one. Look this one. Many of you are doing this wrong. It is, we are adding 4 times 8. We are adding 4 times 8. So 4 times 8 means 4 multiplied by 8. 4 times 8 means 4 multiplied by 8. Okay. The product means multiply. When you multiply 4, 9 and 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 9s are 108. So
And the
answer
answer?
is 108. Better let us be quick.
108.
Meeting is going to be over. The answer of multiplication is known as what? Quickly, everyone. I want answers from each and every one of you. Productor. Who is this productor? Who is this productor? Huh? Anmol.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
7575 and 7575 is written. How many zeros are extra?
10.
10.
Ma'am,
One zero is
10.
420 multiply. Achha, most of you are doing this question also wrong. 420 multiplied by 30 is equals to 42 multiplied by how many? 3 tenths are there now. So it will be 3 tenths. When you multiply 43 by, you will get 126. And 126 tenths means 1260. Okay, 99 multiplied by 1 is 99.
Ma'am, I have sent the photo of my
Numan, be quiet. 100 zeros are 0. Which is greater? 99 is greater. 13 twos are 26. 9 fours are 36. So which is greater? 36 is greater. Okay, bye everyone. See you in the last period, and I can take your
Please,
questions.
please see my answer.
I will see you next period.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
And we have one more period of yours.
Yes, I will take the
care.
result test.
Thank you. See my answer.
Agrita,
Bye,
I will give
ma'am.
the 8th one. Agrita, this is the 8th one.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Ma'am,